If I told you I saved $1,000 in just 30 days, without skipping my daily coffee, without selling my stuff, and without becoming a minimalist monk, would you believe me? Most people think saving money means sacrifice, but what if I told you it's really about strategy, not suffering? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step, and how you can too. By the end, you'll realize saving $1,000 is not just possible, it's almost too easy once you know what to change. But fair warning, if you're comfortable wasting money on small leaks every day, this video might sting a little. Let's begin. It all started one random night. I was checking my bank account, and something didn't add up. I'd made good money that month, yet my balance looked like I'd been feeding an invisible monster. You know the one, the monster called, "Where did my money go?" That's when it hit me. I wasn't broke. I was bleeding cash. So I did something uncomfortable. I tracked every dollar for 1 week, and that's when the truth slapped me in the face. I wasn't losing money on big purchases. I was losing it through tiny habits repeated daily, subscriptions I forgot about, food delivery, just one online order that turned into 3. Question: ever open your Amazon app just to browse? Yeah, that's a trap, a digital black hole. I realized if I wanted to save $1,000, I didn't need to give up coffee. I needed to start acting like the CEO of my own life. Let's break down what I did and how you can do it too. Every time money leaves your account, you should see it, feel it, and understand it. So I set up instant notifications for every transaction. Suddenly, I was hyper-aware. That $12 delivery didn't feel small anymore. It felt real. It's like your bank account whispering, "Really? Another burrito?" Once you make spending visible, your brain starts doing the math, and guilt becomes your best budgeting tool. Instead of budgeting what's left after spending, I flipped it. On payday, I moved $250 straight into savings. That way, saving wasn't optional, it was automatic. When you treat saving like a bill you must pay, you stop negotiating with your excuses. It's financial discipline disguised as simplicity, and here's the cliffhanger. Halfway through the month, I realized something surprising. I didn't miss that money at all. My lifestyle barely changed, but my savings account was growing faster than ever. I went full detective mode, canceled 3 streaming services I never used, downgraded 1 app, and found 2 free trials that had been quietly billing me. In 10 minutes, I saved $80 a month. That's $960 a year just by clicking unsubscribe. Fun fact, canceling subscriptions feels better than therapy. Try it sometime. For 1 week, I used cash for everything: gas, food, coffee, and something magical happened. When you feel money leaving your hand, you hesitate. That tiny pause before paying made me ask, do I really need this? 9 out of 10 times, the answer was no. By the end of the month, between awareness, automation, and mindful spending, I'd saved just over $1,000. No side hustle, no extreme sacrifice, just smarter decisions, repeated daily. That $1,000 didn't just change my bank balance, it changed my mindset. I stopped seeing money as something that comes and goes. I started treating it like something I command. And that's what I want for you, to realize that wealth isn't about luck, it's about intention. You don't need to make 6 figures to feel in control. You just need to start today with what you have and make one small change that compounds over time. Because the truth is, if you don't tell your money where to go, it will decide for you, and it never chooses wisely. If this inspired you to take control of your finances, wait until you watch this next video, 5 Money Habits That Keep You Broke. It'll show you the traps that silently drain your wealth and how to escape them before it's too late. Click it now, and let's keep building your easy money mindset, one smart move at a time.